In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add shapes in Clipchamp quickly and easily. Whether you want to highlight text, create callouts, add backgrounds behind captions, or simply make your videos more engaging, shapes are a powerful design tool inside Clipchamp that many beginners overlook. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to find shapes, add them to your timeline, customize them, and position them perfectly in your project. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Clipchamp tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project from the dashboard or open an existing one that you're currently working on. Once your project loads and you're inside the editor, look over to the left-hand side panel. This is where you'll find all your media tools and creative assets. To add shapes, click on the Content Library tab. The Content Library is where Clipchamp stores stock videos, images, graphics, stickers, and shapes that you can use in your projects. After clicking on Content Library, browse through the available categories until you locate the Shapes section. Depending on updates to the interface, shapes may be listed under Graphics or Design Elements. Once you're inside the Shapes category, you'll see a variety of options like rectangles, circles, lines, and other basic geometric elements. Take a moment to preview them by hovering over the options so you can decide which one fits your design. When you've chosen the shape you want to use, simply click and drag it down onto your timeline. You can place it on a track above your video footage if you want it to appear as an overlay. This is especially useful if you're using shapes as highlights, lower thirds, or background elements behind text. After dropping the shape onto the timeline, you can adjust its duration by clicking and dragging the edges of the shape clip. Making it longer or shorter will control how long it appears on screen. Next, customize the shape to match your video style. Click on the shape in the preview window or timeline to reveal the editing options. From here, you can resize it by dragging the corners in the preview panel. You can reposition it anywhere on the screen by clicking and dragging it into place. If color customization is available, change the color to better match your brand or overall video theme. You can also adjust opacity in some cases to create a transparent overlay effect, which works great for subtle highlights. If you're layering shapes with text, make sure your timeline order is correct. The element on the top track will appear above the others, so if your text is invisible, drag it above the shape layer. Small adjustments like these make a big difference in achieving a clean and professional look. And that's how easy it is to add shapes in Clipchamp. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks to bring extra visual impact to your videos. Experiment with different sizes, colors, and placements to create unique designs that stand out. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Clipchamp guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.